Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue where you are not receiving messages on your Messenger app. So first of all, what we will need to do is we are going to head over to our Messenger, and then we are going to click on the three lines in the top left hand corner. Once we click on this, we can select the settings icon, and then once we select the settings icon, we can start scrolling down until we see the option for chat heads. So what we want to do, if you have got this enabled, if you want to turn this off and then turn this back on again, and then this is one way that you can go ahead and fix it. If this doesn't work, what we can do is we can come all the way back over to our main settings on our mobile phone. So if I scroll over to my settings, click on this, and then once I click on settings, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to find the apps option. So if I keep scrolling down, you'll see an option for apps right there. Click on this, and now we are going to search for Messenger. So if we search for Messenger, click on Messenger now, and then we need to scroll down until we see the option for storage. Click on storage, and what we need to do now is we simply need to clear our cache. So once we click on clear cache, what that will do is it will essentially reset the Messenger app, and it will clear any cookies and cache that you have stored within the app. And then what it should do is it should go ahead and solve your problem with obviously messages not being received. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.